Today we are unboxing a Jack and Link, and I will say that I have decided to add in some hands-on, even though I know I'm going into 8th, 11th, and 11th and 12th, and I will explain that as the time goes along. My older kids will be doing some dual enrollment. We'll be doing some online classes, dual enrollment, or yeah. So I don't really have any other stuff planned out yet because, like I said, renovating to sell and to move has been a big thing that's happening in our family right now. And so that is taking a big toll in the house and all the things that are happening. But I wanted to incorporate Jack and Link next year for my 8th grader. I have planned out most of his curriculum. The only thing that I have not planned for him is science, and whether I'm going to be more hands-on with the science, or am I just going to get something and just spend the money? Because you know these science curriculums can be crazy out here, right? Right. Or just add him to Journey Homeschool Academy, which I could do. And so, yeah, my deciding factor on 8th grade, I'm not really going to order anything until we move. So like, probably a week or like 3 days before we move, I'll probably order everything. So like the things can just start coming in as we're settling into the house and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's been rough. I'm here for the summertime. I am going to try to put out videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, but these videos will be short reviews of things that we have done for this year. No really long content for the summertime because, as I just said, your girl is busy. And so let's get to this unboxing. I didn't get a lot of things, and mind you, I try to stay on a budget when I shop, so I try not to go crazy. And so I did like 2 things that I did like 2 boards that Jack and Link has. So I'm going to show them to you. The first one, which you can't see. Oh yeah, wait, there you go. You can see it like that. This is the one that works with IEW. Oh, you see it from the front. And so it has room for you to do your outline to go with your writing. So, but what's crazy is that I don't know whether I'm using IEW next year. I do know though that in whatever writing I choose, because I'm trying to get like a teacher evaluation, or wondering if I should just pay for IEW grading. I don't know. I'm still figuring that out. So yeah, but got this. And kind of related to that, I wanted to, like, when I kind of do like stuff that is like fill in, and he doesn't really like to write, he likes to more type. We're growing into that. I'm not gonna, it is what it is. Does he write now? Yes. Does he go too fast because he doesn't feel like writing? Yes. And so sometimes I kind of want to all focus that, and knowing that, you know, his handwriting's gotten neater. It's not the best, but excuse me, it's like sometimes he's like goes so fast that he doesn't realize he's making mistakes. And so that is, yeah, I'm trying to take some work off the page so he doesn't really have to be like, oh, he can just fill it in. And so I got this whole page. It's a whole page from Jack and Link where I can write, and then he can kind of fill in. And then I got some other pieces, which I have 2 bags of pieces that I got. I'm going to try to pull these out and kind of explain what I'm going to do with him. And so the first things first, which is like, he's a boy, so I got rockets. All right, and the rockets come with a little flame, so you kind of connect these, you know. And so I thought this was cute for doing like vocabulary words, vocabulary practice, which is a big thing we're going to be doing next year. A lot of vocab. So those are something that I have added to. And now to kind of go with the notebook page, which not yay or nay, is the pencils. These are pencils, and they're yellow. Let's see if I can peel one. I don't know which side to even peel this on because it's my first time using Jack and Link. I'm a baby to the game. I'm a baby. Okay, so these are yellow pencils, a bunch of them. And even when I looked at them, I don't know if I ordered... I got 10 pencils. Is there 5 in a set? Maybe I ordered 2 sets. So it's a pencil, also good for vocab. And you have the little pink things that go, little pink things that go on top. So this is a yellow pencil, and they go together to match them. So I have those. And then I also got, let me see if I could pour this out. I also got commas, because punctuating while he writes and using commas is something that he needs to work on. So I got commas to go with the page so he can insert commas. And so I thought that would be good. I also got little things where I can write like noun, pronoun. They're just white things that point. So I could like write something out and tell him to label the whole thing. And so, yep. And then I got a little pink slots as well, just to like do fill-ins on the page. I want to see how they fit. Let's see how they fit. And so this is the page. These are the lines. It's a little bit bigger, but it will fit in. Yeah, that's good. And then this one, even though this one be more of a pointing one, but this one seems like it could fit in the line if I used it like that. And then the commas. Let's see how they fit. The commas, yeah, good. That's nice. So yeah, comma work is something I was like, oh, that would be cool because she had commas to get the commas. So I got rockets and pencils for vocab work, fill-in work, and stuff like that. Will I use this for reading? I might make him write a summary on the thing, and maybe I did want to get another board that I saw, but then I was like, yeah, sister, you want a budget, stay on your budget. And so yes, for my first Jack and Link order, I had fun ordering it, and just saying like, I'm just gonna do it because honestly I've been wanting to do it for like 3 years now. And so I'm like, yeah. And besides, when he starts high school, if we retire it, I'll just give somebody. And you know, it is what it is, right? You pay it forward. The next thing on my list to order is my planners for next school year and my regular planner. All right, guys, I will check you out in my next video. So peace out. Miss you guys.